Hey guys, let's create a waterfall chart in Excel using our sample data set. So in my case, I have a starting head count, my hires, my exits, and my ending head count. On a formula standpoint, keep in mind my starting is going to be plus my hires minus my exits. So make sure whatever your amount is, whether that's a cost or an exit, you do add a subtraction sign in front of it. So I'm going to select my data set, and under home, right next to it, you have insert on the tab right here, and you go to the chart section. Now, some of you might have the updated Excel where it shows you the quick waterfall chart. If you don't have that for any reason, you would select recommended charts, go to all charts, and click waterfall, which should be on the bottom right here. Select that and press OK. So we want to start by titling our chart. I'm going to title it, double click it, and spell waterfall chart. Now we have our starting head count, we have our hires and exits. What I want to change here is my ending head count. As you can see, it's up here, which doesn't really tell the full story of a waterfall, right? Because we want, this is a total, it should be down here similar to the starting. I'm going to do that by selecting this block right here, the 515, and I'm going to set that as a total. So that looks a lot better and a lot more representative of our data. Now, one last thing I want to note is that I would go in here and format some things. So if you ever want to change the format, there's some really cool chart designs you can choose that are preset within Excel. Or you can go in here on the very left under chart design and do add chart element. And this is a cool spot where you can come in and change, for example, the data labels to be in the center, inside end. I typically just do inside base for my chart labels. Or like you can change the colors. There's just a lot really cool stuff you can do on a formatting standpoint that would definitely take advantage of.